Hello viewers, Raze Chizdeklu the English short sentences with Pashto translation. Sentence de of course मतलब ये अलबत्ता या बिल्कुल of course. Anyway sentence de anyway मतलब ये पहर डोल पहर तरीका. Nothing means his na. Attention please. Attention please. मेहरबानी उकड़े. Keep away. Keep away. पामलरना उकड़े. पामलरना उकड़े. Never. लरे उसा. Never. Get back. Get back. बेरता रास्तनी दल. बेरता रास्तनी दल. Make way. Make way. लारा पैदा करा. I swear. जोलवाला काउम. Go on. Go on. मख्ता लालशा. Carry on. जारी साता. Carry on. Write down. Write down. उलिके. Write down.